Good evening to everybody. Welcome to Indiana Buddhist Temple. Dear Dhamma friends, this is Dr. Sudheer K Meesa. I practice lungs, critical care, sleep and internal medicine. As you all know, we've been into this coronavirus pandemic over the past almost it's getting to a year, 7 months. I've seen hundreds of patients with COVID-19 infection, as you all know, causing so much suffering all around the world. The physical suffering, mental suffering, psychological suffering, economical suffering, social suffering has changed our life so much. I would like to Lord Buddha is all about how to develop loving kindness, and also how to, all his teachings are all about how to live a peaceful life and how to end all sorts of suffering that are going on right now. As you could see, the pandemic is ravaging all over the world, in spite of so many measures that have taken, but still you could see millions of people have been infected, and hundreds and thousands of people have been affected by the virus and not able to make it. I think basic few simple steps can really prevent the spread of the virus and can save everybody's life. As you all know, simple measures like hand washing, keeping at least 6 feet distance, using the mask and being aware of the virus, and also being away from a large get-together could save not only your life and also the people's life. As Lord Buddha has shown us the path, eightfold path, the right view, the right thought, the right speech, the right effort, right livelihood, right mindfulness, and also the right concentration, has clearly laid down the path to prevent suffering for all the humanity. Through loving kindness, Metta meditation, also Vipassana, all the suffering that is going on right now could be easily avoided until we get good therapeutics. Here at Indiana Buddhist Temple, we've been trying to help for all the communities to relieve from this suffering by using scientific methods that are available currently, and also the spiritual method that are provided by us over the thousands of years of experience there. By using the simple measures like using the comfortable masks, staying away, maintaining the social distancing, hand washing, avoiding the big gatherings, big get-togethers. I know that now people are very nervous about schools opening up, colleges opening up. Are we going to get more spread of the disease? The simple 6 measures can avoid the virus from spreading from you to the other people, or from the other people to you. Now the masks are mandatory all over the country, so that we could able to decrease the spread before we get the vaccine and before we get the therapeutics that could cure this COVID-19 virus. By practicing loving kindness, it all teaches about may you all be well and happy and peaceful. That is the mantra that we chant practicing the Metta meditation. That tells you that how important it is for us to follow this simple life-changing habits which could save your life, your people that you love, your family, your friends, your relatives, your communities, your states, and also the pandemic there. By practicing, that means that by keeping the mask, you are not only protecting yourself, you are protecting all your loved ones at your home and in your communities and also in your cities. So that before we could get into the good therapeutics and also the vaccines, you practice loving kindness metta meditation, you practice insight meditation, you practice mindfulness of walking, and you practice mindfulness of movement, and any of these practices that has been the wisdom and then the given over the centuries by Lord Buddha is very helpful. Personally, they were very helpful for me, and I am sure that is you all experienced already how good and how helpful they are. At our Indiana Buddhist temple, we have these comfortable masks which could help protect you and protect your family and also protect your communities. They are available in different sizes. You could email to us, or you could buy it to the temple. These are very comfortable. You could wear the whole day, and then they easy to breathe through it. It has excellent protection towards this COVID-19 infection there. As it is mandatory all over the country to wear the mask all the time, and most of the time, it is very important to have very comfortable masks and which could protect you and also your communities. Please do your part. The science has shown hand washing, social distancing, wearing the mask all the time, avoiding communities, walking meditations, metta meditations. By doing this, you are not only you are spreading the loving and kindness to you, the communities and your families, and then basically you are protecting your family, which is more important than individual protection there. So please wear the mask, avoid gatherings, for it will be soon over. Until then, you have to do your part. I know changing the habits is very difficult. We tell the people, don't smoke, don't drink, don't do this, illicit drug. The 5 precepts is how important it is to change you and also the world there. No killing and no stealing, no lying, no intoxications, no sexual misconduct. How 5 precepts are important in this. All the tools that are available, how important it is to end the suffering, to relieve the suffering, and then to get through this pandemic. The 5 precepts, the 8 Noble Fold Path, and also the types of meditations, it will help you in relieving his physical suffering by just doing a mindfulness walking, mental suffering by doing the loving kindness meditation with a positive thoughts, especially that's what we needed at this time. Vipassana meditation, looking deep into this pandemic which is going on once in 100 years, by doing the simple scientific measures, by doing simple habit changes, can save you, your family, your communities, and the cities, and also the overall. Please follow these instructions and make use of all the tools that are available, and then we are trying to do a little to help these communities. And I have found these masks very comfortable, easy to breathe. You could wear for days. I think it's protects you and your families, and then whatever the way you could able to make use of this, make use of it, and try to end your suffering there. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Doctor. You are sharing your experiences from medical side, meditation side, and Buddha's teaching. You are sharing kindness and compassion for the society and all over the world through the Indiana Buddhist Temple Facebook page. The Lord Buddha preached to us, Sabbe Satta Bhavantu Sukhi Satta. It is his kindness teaching. May all beings be well and happy. And also we are sharing our kind thoughts to you and your family. Be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you, Doctor.